Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and I'm doing just a real quick Maya Monday here. And first, I wanted to say Merry Christmas if you celebrate as I do, or season's greetings if you do not. But I just wanted to show a little find that I found, and I think I'm going to do some photographs or something to support our Poppy as she's going away. Anyway, these are little. They're metal gallery, but they're little butterfly wings, and they're little charms, and I thought that they would make excellent little uh, earrings. Maybe not so much for this size girl, but I think they would look really fabulous on the big girl. So I think I'm going to be doing some for her. Anyway, I just wanted to say happy holidays, and we will see you probably in the new year. Bye.